Before all things, the Silent One stood still, no name, no shape, no shadow, thought or will. A flame that burns yet leaves no trace behind, the rootless source, the wellspring of the mind. This is the monad, all without a pair, alone, complete, and spread through everywhere. No need for other, neither high nor low, it is the tide from which all being flows. But silence sings, and echoes must arise. Distinction dawns beneath the perfect skies. The dyad wakes, the second pulse is born. From unity the seed of form is torn. Where once was one, now tension enters in, the veil of otherness, the shape of kin. Contrast gives motion, shadow carves the light, and in between the stars prepare their flight. Yet two alone is flux without a frame, a dance of sparks without a guiding name. The triad comes and binds the opposites, a woven flame that holds what conflict splits. It is the thread where unity returns. Through it, the fire finds forms in which it burns. Father and mother breathe a child of grace. Relations voice, the structure born of space. The Gnostics sang of bathos, depth profound, whose silence birthed the world without a sound. From thought and spirit came the cosmic choir, aeons in pairs ascending from the fire. The dyad here was mind and truth conjoined, a spark from which the heavens were designed. Then triads rose, Father, Thought, and the Son, a mirror dream before the world begun. To Pythagoras, one was first and pure, a point that holds all patterns that endure. From one came two, the boundless, vast unknown, the field wherein all boundaries can be sown. Three marks the chord, the line becomes a plane, a song of form, a rule of sacred strain. With four, the solid, stars begin to spin. The cosmos grows where numbers first begin. Plato declared the good, the one, the true, and from its light the dyad gently grew. This great and small, the chaos bound in grace, from which the forms arise and take their place. Then came the triad, soul that spans the whole, linking the pure with matter's hidden role. One shines as source, intellect holds the plan, and soul makes manifest the mind of man. In Taoist paths the Tao is still and wide, a stream unseen, no edge, no cause, no guide. From Tao comes one, and then the two unfold. Yin yields to yang, the quiet and the bold. But three is life, the breath that joins them near, the pulse of chi that makes the world appear. All things arise through this harmonious tide, the 10,000 things in balance abide. In every tongue a truth begins to gleam, one flows to two, then three completes the scheme. No single voice, yet harmony resounds, a grammar deep where sacred thought abounds. Three is the cradle, Father, breath, and flame. Two is the veil that gives the one a name. One is the hush before the world was made, the truth to which all echo must be weighed. So rise we now from unity profound, through difference and relations' subtle sound. Creation sings in triads, ever new, a cosmic chord composed of one and two, not merely math, but metaphor divine, a path by which all thought and form align. The monad sleeps, the dyad draws the breath, the triad lives and dances over death.